Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Gyan Sampada. Today I am intending to talk on one of the flying friend of nature, which is a Malabar grey hornbill, scientifically named as Osyceros griseus. So let's get started. I have chosen this bird as it is endemic species of India, found in the Western Ghats located in southwestern part of India. They have their habitat in evergreen deciduous forest as well as around the rubber, areca nut or coffee plantations. In Kannada, it is called as Kaldalahakki and it is found in small groups or even pairs, mainly in the habitat with good tree cover. Coming to its appearance, its head and underparts have whitish streaks. It lacks the casque, which is a typical feature of a hornbill. Beak is quite long, slightly curved and yellowish in color. The wings have white tips and easily we can distinguish between a male and a female Malabar grey hornbill. So male have a long curved yellowish orange bill, paler at the tip and also low casque. But coming to female, they are smaller in size with smaller dark spotted casque and black base of mandible. Mandible is a lower jawbone region. So tail is black tipped with white at the bottom. They have a white broad supercilium above eye, which is running from head to the hind neck. Also, they have whitish streaks on head, crest, throat and the upper breast. Coming to its size, they vary from 45 cm to 58 cm and they weigh approximately from 238 grams to 240 grams. And out of its body part, the tail is having a length of 23 cm in general. Coming to its sound, it has a loud, harsh, laughter-like call which can be heard from far away in the forest or where it is located, sounding a bit like the pigs or chickens, their sound when they are caught. Then they are the secondary cavity nesters, means they are incapable of excavating their own nests and they find the trees with larger cavities. The nest holes will be usually found in large trees with hollows caused by the heart rot where the branch had broken off. So that is their habitat. These are also monogamous in nature, means they use the same nest year after year. So every year the pair will clean the hole in the tree and nesting begins at the time when the forest is at the peak of its fruiting season, and their breeding season is from the month of January to the month of May in general. So when they are in this process, the female will imprison or incarcerate herself within the cavity by sealing its entrance with a cement made from her droppings, that is from fecal matter, and it lays 3 to 4 eggs which are white in color and begins a complete moult or cover of her flight feathers over the eggs. The entrance to the nest retains a narrow aperture through which the female voids excreta and also receives food from the male. During this time, the male brings all the food needed for the female as well as the young, like berries, insects, small rodents as well as reptiles. And as they feed on both fruits and berries as well as insects, these are coming under the class of omnivorous birds. So male will tap the tree and give the signal to the female on arriving with the food. The berries are regurgitated, or it is brought up back to the mouth one at a time and shifted to the tip of the bill before being passed to the female. And their eggs take about 40 days to hatch, and another 45 days pass before the fledglings emerge. But the main thing is that they are being a large class of frugivores, means their main food is fruits, and these are very important as seed dispersal agents for many species of fruit bearing forest trees. These help to disperse seeds of dozens of rainforest trees far and wide. Sometimes the seeds fall generally under the parent tree, but often they are carried away by these birds at a distance away, so that they increase the chances of the seed survival. And in this way they are helping the Mother Earth, and these are called as the gardeners of the rainforest. So this is about the nature friend, which is Malabar grey hornbill. So see you in our next video. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you for watching.